The window part of the zoom command in AutoCAD is probably one of the most common zoom commands used in AutoCAD history. What you do is you specify a window that you want to zoom to, and AutoCAD will zoom to the extent of that window. Now, when you specify a window, you can either specify a window using exact points, i.e. coordinates, or you can do it freehand on the screen using the mouse and the crosshairs. Now, first of all, make sure you're in your View tab, and you've got your Navigate panel here. Now, again, remember, you can use your sticky panels if you need to here. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to left-click and drag my Navigate panel out here, and pop it over here on the right-hand side of the drawing area. I'm just going to move it slightly over, so it's just not sitting on the edge there. There we go. So it's not on the scroll bars on the right-hand side there. Now, the Navigate panel, as we've discussed, is where all of your zoom commands have ended up now. They're on the View tab on the Navigate panel. And this button here, if I click and hold, there's all my zoom commands there. So we've got Zoom Window here. So I'm going to select Zoom Window now and come into the drawing area. And as you can see, it's prompting me to specify my first corner. Now I can do this freehand. The crosshair can be clicked anywhere on the screen. So I'm going to click here, left click, drag my zoom window to there, and I'm going to left click again, and you'll see that AutoCAD zooms to the extent of that window. Now, something to remember here is you've always got Zoom Previous. So if I click on the down arrow again and select Previous now, it'll take me back to that original view that I had by going back one step. It's a bit like an undo for zoom. You'll notice I use that quite a lot when we look at the zoom commands in AutoCAD. Now, that's Zoom Window just doing a freehand window. What would happen if we pick some points and zoomed in? Let's do the same again. So we click on the down arrow, we select Zoom Window. This time, let's utilize our object snaps. Can you do that? No, you can't. You can't actually snap to objects. So what you have to do there is perhaps type in some coordinates. So let's do that. Let's type in some coordinates. The good thing is we can cheat with our drawing because we know that this corner here is 100, 100. So what I'm going to do a window that is 100 by 100 in size. So my first corner is going to be 100, 100, like that, and I press enter. Then it'll ask for the opposite corner. Look, can you see where the window is starting already? And the opposite corner there, I'm going to go for 200, 200. Making it a 100 by 100 box. And as you can see, it zooms me in. Notice 100, 100 is here, down at the bottom of the screen, and it's fitted that to the screen like so, because it's blatantly obvious, isn't it? That's a 100 dimension, so we've got 100, 100 there, 200 would be there, and 200, 200 is over here somewhere, over in this part of the screen. So it's fitted that to the center of the screen. It's zoomed to the extent of the window. Now again, what I can do is I can go down here and I can go to Previous, and it will take me back to my previous view. So as you can see there, you can't use your object snaps to do a zoom window. You can, however, do it freehand, which is the most common method, or if you've got a known area of your drawing that you need to get to, and you know the coordinates that bound that area, you can type in the coordinates for your zoom window as well. Again, as you can see though, Zoom Window, very versatile, very quick, and allows you to navigate your drawing quickly.